and I would love to have you guys subscribe so you won't miss out on any new videos. So today, as you guys can see, I did chop off my hair. I cut off like 5 inches. That's not the point of this video. The point of this video is I finally got a new iPhone. I got the iPhone 11. I used to have the 8 and I had it for like years, like 4 years, and it was cracked and the battery was just like not good anymore. So I finally got a new phone. So I'm super excited to do an updated what's on my iPhone video just because like I have the new iOS and everything. So yeah, why don't we just get started? So to start off, I just want to show you guys my phone case. It's just from Amazon. It's like this pale pink color. It feels like silicone-y, but it's like a harder silicone. It's not like the flimsy silicone, if you guys know what I mean. So I just wanted to throw that out there. I think it's super cute and I'm super excited to have this phone to start taking like better quality pictures, because that is one thing that's like super significant of like a difference between the 8 and like the 11 and the 10. So yeah, why don't we just get started? Let me just screen record my phone. So when you unlock my phone, basically I just have my most used apps on the very first page. My home screen is actually from Google. I just typed in like aesthetic wallpapers, really not that crazy. But I have my widgets at the top. I almost fell, but I have my widgets at the top. So I have the time, and then I also have the steps because I love to track how many steps I'm walking. And then in the first folder, I have the weather app, I have a calendar, the app store, and mail. I don't know why it's labeled weather, I just have all those in one. And then in the next one, it's called navigation. Again, I don't know why it's called navigation. I just have maps, photos, Shazam. Shazam is basically like if you hear music that you don't know the song of, it'll listen to it and tell you the name of the song. Super cool if you guys want that. And then I have health and SoundCloud because I do use SoundCloud pretty often sometimes. And then in finance, I have Venmo, GroupMe, which is just like a group texting chat. Venmo is like you just send people money. Yelp, I actually use Yelp so much when I like am in a new town and I want to figure out what to eat. I have the clock, and then settings and PayPal, which I use a good amount of times as well. And then in social media, this one is actually labeled correctly, but I have Twitter, Instagram. If you guys want to follow my Instagram, I will have it linked down below. But yeah, I've been trying to keep up with my Instagram game. I have Snapchat, YouTube of course, and then Facebook. Those are just all of like my social media apps that I actually use. And then on the bottom, I have Safari, iTunes, or like Apple Music, I don't know, my phone app, and then messaging app. And then when I switch my page over, I have another widget at the top that tells me the day and like the month and stuff. I like to have them on separate pages because I like to see like my little flower home screen. And in the utilities, honestly, I'm not really gonna go through this because this is just like what everyone has on their iPhone, you know, it's just like the basic things. I never use these things, but yeah, you guys can see, it's just like whatever. Same with this one, it's just extras. It's just like compass, tips, voice memos, measure, contacts, find my iPhone, notes, reminders, and then my little Honda app. I also do have like some cash apps here. I don't know why. I never use those, but yeah. And then in lifestyle, again, just like random apps that come on the iPhone. And then I have my banking app because I like to check like what's in my bank account. And then finally, I have in social, this is my last page, Facebook Messenger, Kakao Talk, which is like a Korean chatting type of thing. It's kind of like Facebook Messenger, but for like Korean people. And then I have Google Chrome, the Apple Store, and Fitness. Fitness is for my Apple Watch when I like work out, which I haven't done in a really long time. And then in games, I have 10 by 10, Snake vs. Block, Brawl Stars. Let me know if you guys play Brawl Stars. I used to be obsessed with that game and I've recently come to love it again. So let me know if you guys play Brawl Stars or what games you play. I also have TikTok, love TikTok. I'm always on TikTok. Not like I post on TikTok, but I'm always using it. And then I have 2048. That game is so fun when you're like bored and there's nothing to do. And then in random, I have the Amazon app, Forever 21 app, Spotify, because I love listening to music on Spotify, Hulu, and then this app is called Flow. It's called Flow, and it basically just tracks your period and like what day you're gonna get your period, just in case you have like an event or something to go to and you want to know like if you can wear white or not. I don't know. And then I have Netflix, Depop, which I used to sell on Depop. I kind of stopped just because like I got lazy. And then I have Discord, which is like another messaging app. This is for like my, what is it? My apartment building. Yeah. And then I have a YouTube app, which basically are just like the apps that I use to edit my YouTube thumbnails. So I have Fonto, which is how I add my text. Bazaar, which is how I like fit all my photos in a thumbnail and get the thumbnail size. I have VLLO, honestly I don't know what that is. Layout, which is just kind of like a pic collage kind of thing. Pixar, which I add, that's how I kind of add any stickers to my thumbnails, like stars or something, that's how I add them. Canva, which is another photo like thumbnail app. So yeah, I don't use that one too much, but it is something that I have. In food, I have Uber Eats, which who doesn't? I have MyFitnessPal, I don't know why I never use that. McDonald's, they always have amazing deals, so always download the McDonald's app if you guys have it or don't have it yet. Always download the McDonald's app. Chipotle, because I love Chipotle. And then I just have regular Uber and the Widgetsmith app. Yeah, I just like to have all my stuff in folders. And then in photo and edit, this is kind of like my Instagram photo editing app. So I have Photo Wonder, Visco, which I don't use too much, the camera app, Lightroom. Lightroom is something that I always use. I love Lightroom. I just think it makes my like photos really cute. And then I have the Facetune app, which I don't use too much. I mean, maybe if like I have a huge zit and I want to smooth out my face or something, then I'll use Facetune. I also have Color Tone. I've been trying to play with that, but honestly, I don't know. And then I have Tezza, which is another photo editing app. I don't use it too much, but I like to just have it in case I do find a photo that looks good on Tezza. And then I have Unum, or Unum, I don't know how to say that. But this one is basically just like, you can put your Instagram pictures in and see how your theme is gonna look. So that's what I have so far. Didn't upload this one, but I just wanted to see how it looked. So yeah, that is everything that I have on my iPhone. If you guys want to see my home screen, I don't think it recorded actually. It stopped recording, but this is what my home screen looks like. It's really cute. Again, I find all of my lock screens and wallpapers on Google. I just type in like aesthetic lock screens and I just find the one that I like. But again, I'm not super familiar with the widget, so I know I don't have the most aesthetic phone, but yeah, I tried and I'm still learning. So yeah, that is what is on my new iPhone. I'm super excited to do this video, and I'm super excited that I filmed it, and I'm gonna get it up for you guys because I'm just so excited to have a new phone. Yeah, it's been a really long time. So yeah, also if you guys are wondering, I know some of you guys are gonna be like, why didn't you get the newest iPhone, like the iPhone 12? Honestly, I'm not super into technology, and the newest iPhone is like gonna be so expensive. So I just got this one. You know, it works, it's amazing, and I love it so much. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you guys liked it, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!